My name is Mary. I'm a cosmetic consultant here at Edgebrook Dermatology. My job entails meeting with patients and going over treatment plans one-on-one. And really my role is to educate patients on good treatments for their specific concerns. You know, a lot of patients wonder how they can get into cosmetics and laser. All you have to do is set up a consultation. It's free. You come and meet with me one-on-one, and we can go through all the concerns that you have and then really tailor a treatment plan for you. You know, it's a journey, so there might be a few different treatments that will be great for you. Or some patients are going to be seen medically. So then we would see them after their medical appointment where we can go over treatments that were recommended by their provider. We offer things on the cosmetic side like Botox and filler, which are going to help, you know, plump up certain areas, smooth some lines, which a lot of people love. And we also offer mini laser treatments. On the laser end of things, we have treatments like laser hair reduction, which helps with those pesky hairs we don't really like anymore. We also have a machine called the Pico machine, which helps with texture, lines, brown spots. IPL is also a great option for background redness and brown spots. And then we have microneedling, which is great for laxity, texture, and tightening.
My name's Sarah. I'm one of the cosmetic consultants here at Edgebrook Dermatology. A typical day here at Edgebrook Dermatology as a cosmetic consultant can vary. Sometimes in the morning, I will have scheduled consults. So that is if a patient calls and they'd like to set up a consult inquiring about a certain treatment we offer. So we have them come in, we sit down with them, we review everything. It's really nice to just sit down and talk with people and have a provider come in and make sure they're cleared for that certain treatment they're looking for. I also will pop in with medical patients throughout the day and just introduce myself, welcome them to our practice, let them know the different things that we offer, because a lot of people actually don't know that along with medical and dermatology stuff, we offer the aesthetic and laser side. So it's really nice to show people that we kind of do a full circle treatment here. So consults are super important because I guess in this day and age, a lot of us go to the internet, we go to TikTok, we go to social media, and we're looking for answers, right? But it's really important to come down and sit with someone that knows the different treatments, maybe something that you're thinking that you want done, and then you come and sit with us and then we show you a different direction that might be a better option for you. So it's really important to just sit down, get all the information to really know what will be best for you and the results you're looking for. And we really do tailor and customize it to every patient, because obviously every patient is different. Every patient has different wants and needs and expectations. So it's really nice to be able to sit down face to face with someone and really review that with them and answer any questions they have.
We love to help people become the best version of themselves.
When you call and you set up your cosmetic consultation, you'll speak to the wonderful girls at the front desk and they'll just get a little bit of information from you. Then you go ahead and you show up about 10 to 15 minutes before the scheduled consultation, because we do have some paperwork for you to fill out. Some medical forms, just some general questions. We review that and we'll bring you in our room, in our office, and we'll just talk to you about what you're interested, you know, the journey you're looking to go on with your skin and possible treatment options. Kind of sit down, we review that. and make sure you have all your questions answered. Then we actually do bring a provider into every consultation. They kind of look over at what we're looking to accomplish, and they kind of give us their blessing, I say, you know, their stamp of approval to move forward. Sometimes you come in thinking you want one thing, and honestly, it goes in a totally different direction, because we really aim to educate our patients and make sure they understand, you know, the whole concept of the treatment that they're looking for and the results that they want. It's really important that we kind of encompass your whole journey. We really want to lay out what your whole skincare journey is going to look like, whether it is a short journey or a journey that needs to be continued. We continue to age and expose our skin to, you know, damaging factors in the environment. So it's something that we really should never stop doing, you know, skincare, sunscreen, if it's laser treatments. When you're in the consultation, once the provider leaves, we go ahead and we review pricing for different package types, how many treatments were needed for your desired results, getting you to your skincare goals.
Really, the best thing that we love to talk about is how our consultations are free. They're completely complimentary. There's no obligations. You can schedule a consultation with us, and we do dedicate roughly an hour of time with you one-on-one personally. And so that gives us plenty of time to go over that education. So we're going to talk about whether you know what treatment you're interested in it or not. We can talk about what those concerns are and then find treatment plans from there. And so if you have any questions, concerns, hesitations, reservations, we actually feel on our end that we wouldn't even be comfortable with setting our patients up for treatments that they don't feel fully educated on first.
So at the end of the day, even something as simple as Botox or microneedling is considered a procedure. So we do want you to feel fully informed as far as what it is you are receiving, the benefits, the expectations, the before care, the aftercare that you need to follow in order to ensure your safety, but also that you are getting the best results possible. It's really important that our patients feel empowered by that education and by that knowledge.
So we make sure medically that everything is okay for you to proceed, but then also that you feel confident in what exactly you are receiving.
And we know that when we look good, we feel good. So we're here to essentially give you the tools necessary.
At the end of the day, the goal for us is to make our patients feel refreshed and youthful and to essentially slow down the aging process at a very subtle rate. To preserve the youthfulness of our skin, not necessarily manipulate our faces or change us drastically, but make those enhancements and those refreshments that make us feel more confident in our skin. Do also like to schedule you out for the appropriate time frame and with the appropriate provider for whatever it is that you're going to receive. So most commonly after we do a consultation, we go ahead and take a look at our schedule and see what the first available is for what we're looking out for. And sometimes too, there may be multiple treatments that you're looking to schedule. So based on our schedule as well as yours, and maybe if you have a big event, a laser treatment, or you have a vacation coming up, we will take a look at all those factors to appropriately schedule your treatments and make sure that they're in the most ideal order, but also a safe order. Beyond just the services that we offer, we can also talk about topical products and what you're using in your actual routine at home. Because at the end of the day, what we do here in office is only going to be maybe 30% of the results that you receive. We can do these treatments that are going to be very innovative and very beneficial to your skin, but you have to maintain those results. And so your daily skincare that you're taking home is something that we definitely want to discuss as well. So for the most part, that's probably going to be cosmetic and topical products, but also at the end of the day, we are a medical dermatology practice. And so if we feel that there's something going on with your skin, maybe clinically that needs to be addressed, we may also make the recommendation to schedule another exam with one of our providers in our dermatology center so that we can address those issues as well. While we love our cosmetic treatments, we do find it's very important to prioritize your health and your skin safety. And we know that we can't get as good of results if we're not targeting the underlying issues first. So we always come back to our medical practice, tie everything back to what the root of the problem or the cause may be if it's not cosmetic. If it is, we can take it and run with it, but we will always have that in our back pocket to make sure that if we need to have any medical intervention, that we have our doctor or our PAs or NPs to address that.